Everyone, a very warm welcome to the brand new edition of To The Point. I'm Kriti Mishra, and on today's show, we have with us floor leader of the AIADMK party in the upper house, Mr. A. Navneet Krishnan. Sir, welcome to Rajya Sabha Television. And in these days of social distancing, we are connecting through Skype. I'm sitting in Delhi, you're in Chennai, but nonetheless, we'll talk about your strategy of combating COVID-19. But I understand you've represented your party in Prime Minister's conference, video conference on the strategy to combat COVID-19. What happened there? What were the issues? What were your suggestions?
Madam, I am very happy to talk to you through Skype. Today's participation in the video conferencing is a very good experience, pleasant experience, highly educative and informative. The three presentations have been made by the central government by three different officers, and one relating to lockdown, another relating to the financial packages, and another relating to the steps taken to contain the coronavirus. And it is full of information. Even minutest details have been given. It reflected the hard work of our Honorable Prime Minister. I am highly impressed with the presentation, and also our Prime Minister is waging all-out war to see that the coronavirus is not affecting our Indian people. Each and every one of Indian citizen is very, very safe in the hands of the Honorable Prime Minister. And in my turn, I placed my views on record. I appreciated the endeavors taken by our Honorable Prime Minister. Our Honorable Prime Minister has taken all the steps ahead of all other developed countries. Hence, our Prime Minister became the world leader in protecting not only India but also the entire world. Now the America requested India, that is our Prime Minister, to supply medicine to fight coronavirus. So it shows our Honorable Prime Minister's leadership and thought, vision, and his real interest in protecting the Indian people. So today, our Honorable Prime Minister has given us full opportunity to present our views, and he responded very well. He noted down all the points which we raised, and it is really a good session. So it shows that our Prime Minister wants to give and wants to know everybody's view, and every political party is a matter for him. That is why he has given this opportunity to all the political parties. I thank him. And also on behalf of the Tamil Nadu, I placed the special instructions given by our Honorable Chief Minister. We Tamil Nadu getting groceries from North Indian states. So now there is a difficulty in movement of lorries, trucks, which carrying the groceries. So I requested on behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, our Prime Minister, please issue suitable directions to all the states to allow the lorries, trucks carrying the groceries from North Indian states to Tamil Nadu. And it seems our Honorable Prime Minister has taken note of it. And then with regard to the financial aspects, there is a ceiling, the fiscal deficit of 3% of the state GST.
Yes, sir.
As per the provisions of the FRBM Act, you know better than me now. So we need relaxation, and also relaxation from that law or provision of law. Now we need more funding because Tamil Nadu is the second most affected state.
Yes, sir.
Today, the number touches 690. Of 690, 522 are from the Delhi conference. Though they belong to Tamil Nadu, but they participated in Delhi conference. Hence, they are all identified as victim of this coronavirus. And then all the family members ought to be tested. And we, our Honorable Chief Minister, Edappadi Panichami, has nominated several, more than 22 hospitals dedicated to COVID-19 pandemic.
Yes.
So 19 pandemic. So the state government is taking all efforts. In other words, our Honorable Chief Minister Edappadi Panichami is waging all-out war to fight against the coronavirus following the footsteps of our Honorable Prime Minister. Our Chief Minister is availing all the 24/7. He is easily accessible Chief Minister. Our entire Tamil Nadu people are very happy. Poor sections are being taken care of properly. And Amma canteens, Unavagam, very popular. It is a role model. It is an innovation made by Honorable Amma that all the poor people are heading the nutritious, hot food, clean, hygienic food at the lowest cost. So, and the migrant laborers issue also addressed to, and then the other state people also accommodated very suitably. So now our state is performing very well. Of course, we are the second most affected state. We need money. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Chief Minister has written 2 letters requesting financial aid. And another third letter that is 9 pages to Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji. And then he has given in detail every steps taken in Tamil Nadu to prevent the spread of coronavirus. So I thanked the Prime Minister in the conference. Really because of the timely efforts taken by Prime Minister, now the whole India is very, very safe in the hands of the Prime Minister of India. And the
Yes, sir.
entire world is looking upon our Prime Minister for the guidance, how to prevent coronavirus.
Absolutely, sir. But talking about Tamil Nadu now, unfortunately, after Maharashtra, it is the state with second highest number of cases of COVID-19. What is the strategy of the state government?
Madam, we are having dedicated hospitals across the state. And also, we freshly appointed nearly 540 doctors and many number of nurses, lab technicians, and related other people. So, and also we have placed, and we are getting all the kits, tools, and also we are making arrangements to receive everything on time. And also, we are having the excellent team of doctors, nurses, sanitary workers, lab technicians. They are performing very well. And also, our state police is doing good job. So nobody is allowed to move around in the villages or in the cities. So now, to the maximum extent, of course, out of 690, 522 attended the Delhi conference. You understand? So, but for that number, our state would not have become the second most affected state. So, because of the effective steps taken by our Honorable Chief Minister Edappadi Panichami, now the spread of coronavirus has been effectively controlled.
So, talking about Chennai, we understand that your government also conducted a door-to-door survey
Yes.
of the buildings. Tell us more about this survey and what are the results? What are the big takeaways?
Madam, in Chennai, each and every house is being under surveillance. So, a server, a volunteer, or a worker is coming and getting all the details with the name, age, all particulars. And also, if there is any cough or any other problem, if there is any fever, anybody suffering from, please kindly consult, go to the government doctor. They are providing all the assistance. So it is being done every day, day to day basis. The work is going on. So each and every citizen of Chennai is well protected by the all the because of the efforts taken by our Chief Minister.
And how do you plan to expand the testing facility in the state?
But now, because now antibody test is going to be conducted in large scale. Our Chief Minister has made a very big announcement also. So we are making progress in that way. So a more number of people, more number of family members are going to be subject to the antibody test, and then definitely we are increasing the test. The more number of people are being tested every day. So we are getting the result also, and we are giving suitable advice to the people, those who are liable to be affected. So I think each and every house in the state of Tamil Nadu is under surveillance, and every nook and corner of Tamil Nadu is well protected, and there is no law and order problem, and no citizen is wandering in the street, or they are all confined to house very safely. And then at the same time, poor people are provided with the food, essential items, and medical care. Everything is being given without any interruption.
Right, sir. There's one specific aspect that we have to talk about Tamil Nadu, which your chief minister is saying that he would like to create a common pool of MLA development fund or the scheme. A common pool of MLA development schemes, sir. How do you plan
Yes,
to
yes, yes.
pool in all those resources?
This MLS, the constituency fund is going to be pooled, and wherever it is required, it will be utilized. It is a fine idea. Our chief minister is all 24 hours. He is thinking about it, working very hard, and he is innovating new schemes. And it is a good thing to fight against coronavirus. It is a good move.
Right, sir. But there are diverse political parties. How are you planning to take all the political parties on board in your state for this step?
Oh, madam, now our political opponents are having jealousy over AIADMK, especially our Honorable CM Edappadi Padichami, and because he is performing very well, there is no room or space for any grievance or complaint.
All right,
So
sir.
that is why.
Right, sir. Talking about social distancing, sir. How are you propagating social distancing among people to make them more aware of it?
Now, madam, it is through public address system, and also through advertisements, and also we are keeping the people, and we creating awareness regarding the benefits of the social distancing, and every Tamil Nadu citizen is adopting. They are all very safe. They know the value of social distancing and the benefits of social distancing, and in that score, there is no problem, madam. So very already well informed. Each and every people of Tamil Nadu are well informed.
Right,
So
sir.
we cannot.
You are the leader of your party in the upper house, and a very specific
Yes.
step that the government took through an ordinance, of course, which was cleared by the Union Cabinet, was to slash the salaries of MPs by 30%. How do you look at that move?
Madam, I think it has been taken in the larger public interest. So it is nothing wrong in it. So because our Honorable Prime Minister and the Cabinet is taking a view and then are doing it legally, and then there cannot be any grievance to anybody.
Right, sir.
Okay.
In the future course, sir, what are the challenges that you see in your state, and how do you plan to overcome those challenges?
Madam, and now the importance of cleanliness and hygienic ambience. Everybody knows it, madam, and we are all following. We are keeping our houses in and around surroundings and the public places. They are all always very clean, and we know the value of Swachh Bharat. It is a great thing. We have to congratulate and appreciate our Honorable Prime Minister, because well in advance he was thought of implementing the Swachh Bharat scheme. Now every citizen is understanding and value the scheme. So the cleanliness is the foremost thing for our success, for our happiness. So we are going to maintain the steps to make it everything clean. So no, I don't think that any very big challenges we are going to face. Already a good health infrastructure is in place. We are having a good team of doctors, nurses, everybody is lab technicians, sanitary workers, and good police force. Everything is in place. So we need not worry about it, madam.
Right, sir.
So do we
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
uh, tell me, madam.
Yes, sir. So
Uh,
now that the sense that we have is that we'll have the lockdown till 15th of April. We are yet to hear from the center whether it will be extended or not. But in this period of lockdown, how are you ensuring that there is continuous supply of essential items in urban as well
madam,
as rural areas?
Madam, government is providing everything, the vegetables, groceries, and the LPG gas cylinder is being supplied by the agencies. And regarding the supply of essential items of food or other items to maintain our basic needs, everything is provided, and then no shortage, no grievances, and there is a very good system scheme in place to make it available everything. Nothing to worry, madam. Every citizen is very happy. They know the understanding of social distancing. That is how they are able to be alive and also making others to be alive.
Right?
So
Yes, sir.
nothing to worry.
Yes, sir. You're a member of parliament, sir. You are from the Rajya Sabha. But tell me, what is your message, or what do you think that what could be the role of a member of parliament in this hour of crisis in tackling COVID-19?
Madam, we are, though we are not moving out of our house, but we are getting many number of calls. For example, regarding the agricultural problems, immediately, fortunately, our central government issued a notification. There is an exemption for agriculture from lockdown. So immediately we are conveying to all our farmers and those who are involved in agricultural operations, there is no bar. The lockdown is not applicable. Hence, now the farmers are doing their work without any guilt, So we are disseminating the good news. We are able to contact the people through phone, through cell phone. The technology is now available in place. So we are helping the all section of the people, poor, rich, literate, illiterate, farmers, and then businessmen and students. And also now in our state, the education through online is now slowly picked up. So we are doing good job even without going out.
Right, sir. Absolutely. Because
So,
yes, sir.
no, we are really, we must thank the Honorable Prime Minister, Madam, because of his vision and also the prompt action well ahead of other developed, so-called developed countries. Now India is safe. And we are helping the masses, our state people, and we are happy with the performance of our Prime Minister as well as our Honorable Chief Minister, Edappadi K. Pazhanichami.
Right, sir. As you've said that this is an era of technology. Of course, I've been interviewing you in Parliament in Delhi, and today we are connected through Skype. You're sitting in Chennai, I'm in Delhi. But of course, we do hope that India remains safe, and the kind of vision that we are seeing of the government and the kind of preventive actions and the measures that the state governments are taking, we do hope that in near future we are able to combat COVID-19. But on that note, Mr. A. Navneet Krishnan, thank you so much for joining us. Stay safe and stay home and take care of everyone. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, sir.